Hi, hello, and howdy. My name is Erin of Essentially Erin, and welcome back to my channel. Long time no see, talk, upload, whatever. Like, it has been months. And first things first, I'm sorry. If you follow me on Instagram, then you kind of know why I haven't been around here as much. But in case you don't, I have been working on writing and finishing my novel, which I'm currently in the process of querying, which is where you submit your book to agents in the hopes that they want to represent you and publish your book, or work with you in partnership to seek out an editor / publisher to publish your book. It's a very lengthy, involved process, but I have written a book that I am so proud of. So I'm excited to go through this next step, this, new adventure and everything like that. But there was a new product that dropped from one of my favorite brands, so I thought I would break my hiatus in the best way possible with another product review for you guys. So today, without further ado, we are going to review the Ouidad Advanced Climate Control Volumizing Foam. Now, if you've been around here for a while, then you know how much I absolutely love the Ouidad Advanced Climate Control line, both the hard hold and the medium soft hold. It's great for all curl types. So I was super excited when they came out with the foam because I love a good foam. Love a good foam. I have very light, fine hair, so it gets weighed down very easily. So a volumizing foam, generally speaking, always good for people that have fine hair, people that have low density hair. It helps promote volume, it helps expand the hair. It just I could go on and on about how much I love foam and mousse. Chef's kiss, always great. So a little bit from the back, it says this airy volumizing foam adds lift and a crunch-free hold for soft, touchable, defined curls. Anti-frizz nanotechnology locks moisture in and locks out humidity, while aloe helps to smooth and add shine. To use, rake through damp hair in sections, then air dry or diffuse for maximum volume. For finer curls and waves, apply and style as usual. For thicker textures, use foam and follow with your favorite styler for extra hold. So really nothing new from how to use this versus other foam / volumizing products. I am super excited to try this out, so I will go wash my hair and I will be right back. Let's get to it. Okay, we are fresh from the shower. Gotta practice my French because I leave for my honeymoon in Paris next week. Okay, so just a heads up, I did give myself an at-home trim the other day, which resulted in some bangs, kind of. But in order for this test to work the way that we normally do stuff around here, I'm gonna do a split down the middle, which means that the front half of my hair might just look a little wonky comparatively. So we're just gonna try. That is definitely not in the middle. My goodness, I am rusty, y'all. And we all know I don't really care about being necessarily straight down the middle, but it has to be not to look like I kind of know what I'm doing at least. There we go. All right. We are split. Now first things first, we're going to go in with the Ouidad Advanced Climate Control Featherlight Styling Cream. We're just gonna put a little bit on each side. I'm not gonna lie, y'all, I have been embracing bare bones routines for the last few months. I just don't have the time or the energy lately, and just a reminder that that's completely okay too, that you do not have to style your hair to perfection every single week. Do what is best for yourself and your mental health. Y'all know me, I am always about prioritizing your mental health first and foremost. All right, so Featherlight styling cream in, Now I'm going to split and style. We're probably only gonna do like a half split on either side. For the purposes of this, what I'm actually going to do is I am going to wait until both sides are brush styled. Then I will apply the gel as a glaze over and then the foam as a glaze over, and then we'll scrunch them both in. We will diffuse off camera, just because like I said, I'm trying to keep today's video short and sweet for you guys. We'll diffuse off camera and then we will talk about the results. Rusty, seriously, y'all. Like, hopefully this will go smoother the next time. Y'all, Lord help me today. I'm trying to brush my dang head with the back of a brush. Today is not my day. All right, so this side, weird wonky bangs in the front. All right, let's do this. All right, so I'm gonna do the gel first. We'll do the gel on this side. That's not gel. Y'all, I just put shampoo in my hand, man, just, I have to laugh. I have to laugh. Because if I don't, I'll cry. Okay, got the gel. Before anybody calls it out, this is the, like this label is for the stronger hold gel, but I have a really big thing of the regular hold gel. So when I finished this, I just reused it and then refilled this. So this is just like my travel size bottle. I'm in the middle of packing right now for our trip, so just easier to grab this one. So I promise this one is the regular gel. All right, so small amount. And we're just gonna glaze over, make sure we get the ends. And scrunch. All right, so that's the gel side. Now the volumizing foam. Which, to confirm, is in fact volumizing foam and not some other product. All right, so I'm only gonna do a couple pumps, but overall good movement, like, so it's not super dense. It smells pretty much like the rest of the line, but it actually smells a little bit like fruitier, I guess. Like, I don't know, there's like a sweetness to it. All right, get the ends. And then scrunch. I'm trying to do literally everything exactly the same on both sides, but okay. So gel, foam, time to diffuse. I'll be right back.
A few moments later.
Et voila. Ooh. Okay, so this is actually a really surprising result. So here's the foam side. It honestly, what's really interesting is that it looks as if I've already done cast, break, and shake with oil. Like the amount of shine, it's hard for the camera to catch it, but the amount of shine that was retained without like anything is fantastic. Here is the gel side. There is still a cast on this, so we definitely want to go ahead and break that. But aside from that and my weird little like page boy bangs, like I'm pretty I don't want to say that I'm overly impressed, because honestly for the most part it's functioning very similarly to most foams that I use. But what I do think is great about foams is that, again, for people that have fine hair, I feel like I'm not having to sacrifice anything by using it versus a gel. So the only thing that I would note about most foams is because they don't have the same level of hold as a gel, you will likely need to refresh or to put additional products on your hair throughout the week, like if you're extending your wash days. But like, I would 100% use this. Like, absolutely love that. Let's put a little bit of oil in my hand and we'll break the cast on this side. My Verb Ghost oil, y'all know I love this. I'm literally putting like teeny tiny. All right, now it wouldn't be a fair comparison if I didn't also shake and fluff this side. So despite not needing the cast break, you can still do this with an oil for, you know, additional shine, or like, I just wouldn't recommend fluffing your hair without something protecting like your hand barrier to your hair. If you don't want to use an oil, then I would recommend using a satin or silk scarf. You can do it with your bonnet, a spare satin or silk pillowcase that you have. Just, I wouldn't put a direct like dry palm directly to your hair. That's something that would help promote frizz. But honestly, it's vibe, it's mood, it's a moment. I'm here for it. Yeah, I mean, I would for sure recommend. I know like the lens is here, but the screen is up here. So if you ever just see me like, that's why. But I mean, gel side, foam side, like these are really great, like interchangeable products. 100% would recommend. And that's it. That is our short, sweet, to the point, Essentially Erin review of the Ouidad Advanced Climate Control Volumizing Foam. I would recommend it, absolutely. But if you guys have other products that you want me to try after I get back from my honeymoon, please leave them in the comments. Do not forget to like or subscribe. Tell me what you guys want to see. I'm going to try very, very hard to start regularly posting once we get back. I am going to do an additional video about all the stuff that I pack for my curly travels, so that you guys know kind of like it is possible to travel. You don't have to straighten your hair in order to do it. It just requires a little bit more finessing and kind of like bringing your routine down to one. So unless you're planning to check a bag and you want all of your full-size products, my goal is to try to break down what I plan to take on our 35-day honeymoon abroad. So stay tuned for that video, and I will talk to you guys soon.